The Tourism Conference 2020 is being held in the Vienna Hofburg under the motto Reshaping Vienna. It is the first event organized by the Vienna Tourist Board to not have been held entirely virtually since the beginning of the coronavirus crisis. By putting in place a tailor-made prevention concept, Vienna is showing how even a large event can take place safely. This year's tourism conference is considered a hybrid event, with people coming together both virtually and in person, therefore face-to-face. The elaborate organization is a crucial aspect of prevention, such as air exchange units in the event hall. They keep the air circulating and reduce aerosol levels. Rapid coronavirus tests are also provided in a testing lane. The medical checkup is carried out before admission. Access is granted with a negative test result. Rules of conduct ensuring a safe shared environment are also everywhere to be seen, such as the usual distance that has to be maintained, which is also highlighted by floor markings. Also, hygiene at all times and the absolute must-have, face coverings. Plexiglass partitions guarantee a safe interaction during registration. In the conference hall, guests take their seats in a checkerboard pattern to follow the presentations without any concerns. At the same time, every other place is reserved for a virtual guest. Because apart from participating on site, the hybrid tourism conference can also be attended online. The event is no less exciting for being virtual. You can network with other visitors online using an avatar and attend a live stream as a virtual get-together. That way, all guests from Vienna's tourism industry can experience the Tourism Conference 2020 virtually and in physical safety. Vienna creates a balance between health and economy with a safe event for all.